Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you SharePoint users out there. The title is 1070, How to Add People to SharePoint 2025, and we're going to walk you through the latest updates for 2025 that make collaboration even easier. Whether you're managing a team project or sharing documents across your organization, knowing how to add people properly can save you tons of time and hassle. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft 365 account. SharePoint is all about seamless integration, so if you're not already in, head over to office.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your SharePoint site. In 2025, you'll notice a sleeker interface with AI-powered suggestions to help you find what you need faster. Now, let's get to the main action. Go to the specific site or document library where you want to add people. Look for the Share button. It's usually at the top right corner. Click on it, and you'll see a new dialog box pop up. Here, you can type in the email addresses of the people you want to add. SharePoint 2025 introduces smart permissions, so as you type, it might suggest roles like editor, viewer, or even custom ones based on your organization's policies. Select the appropriate permission level to control what they can do, edit, view, or just comment. Don't forget to add a personal message if you want, like, "Hey team, check out this updated file." Then, hit Send to invite them. You'll get a confirmation, and the invites will go out via email. One cool new feature in 2025 is the real-time tracking, so you can see when people accept the invite right in your SharePoint dashboard. Once they're added, they can access the site immediately, depending on their permissions. If you need to remove someone later, just go back to the Shared With section and manage the list. That's it. Simple, right? Wrapping this up, mastering SharePoint sharing will boost your productivity big time. Give it a try on your next project, and if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.